So COGNITUS is a really big, exciting European Union project that BBC Research and Development is leading. We know that producers really value the perspectives and the alternative viewpoints that people who are attending the event can bring, and audiences love that too. It makes them feel like they're being there.
My name's Chris Howard. I'm the series producer of Spring Watch, Autumn Watch and Winter Watch. We use UGC in a variety of different ways in the watches. The most obvious is when someone's filmed an amazing bit of behaviour, and we use that in the main programme.
As you know, we love it when you send in footage. Now this is in Ramsgate Harbour.
The other thing that UGC then does is adds extra value to the audience, so they see that they are contributing to the programme. It's all those kind of things that feed into the programme and make it, I think, a programme that the audience cherishes because it's kind of their programme as well as ours.
Hi, I'm Mark Fothergill. I'm a producer at BBC Research and Development. So as our audience are creating more content for themselves, if we're to use that, we have two problems. One is physically dealing with the number of video clips that are sent in, and the second is making sure that the quality is high enough for us to use. COGNITUS is a system that allows producers to collect, sort, enhance and use video footage sent in by users, which allows us to deal with all that user-generated content, and it improves the quality of the mobile phone footage to get it ready for broadcast.
We've contributed to the development of the Turing codec, which is high-efficiency video coding to be able to squeeze a lot more video through these kind of bandwidth-limited channels.
So the amazing thing about COGNITUS is when a user uploads mobile phone footage, the system will actually upscale the quality from mobile phone standard to ultra high definition standard for TV.
Particularly in COGNITUS, the partners are having all sorts of success with using deep learning. So when you get low resolution images coming in, those machine intelligences, that visual computing that's been trained, can invent that fine detail with much more accuracy and create ultra high definition pictures from virtually any camera phone footage.
The way COGNITUS works is app-based, so you can install the app on your mobile phone, shoot footage, and then upload it to the COGNITUS system. Metadata is information that you can add around a video file. So you could, for example, you could add the location, the thing that you were capturing, it could be part of a team or any other label. So once you've uploaded all the video clips, they're available on a web app to review. So as a producer or director, you can go through and look at each of the clips. In Edinburgh, there was over 600 clips, so a lot of footage to go through, and that's where the metadata is crucial. Using COGNITUS to find clips is quick and easy. It really helps the editing process, which is especially useful when you've got a deadline. COGNITUS essentially gives the BBC access to user-generated content, which is great because user-generated content is more authentic, it's more of the audience, it's more relevant to the audience, but the BBC can help shape that user-generated content into something bigger.
I think it's absolutely crucial that we have a research and development department. The value we get from this UGC stuff is so large already that if we can really forge ahead and push ahead on that and make it even better and even more valuable, then I think it will secure our future as a production, hopefully for the next few years.